So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to see how your social media profiles perform in Google search, Google Search Console is testing a new way to view social channel performance alongside your website. So firstly, we're gonna do how to connect a YouTube channel. So let's see. Open Google Search Console and select your website. Go to Search Console Insights. If your website is eligible, Google may automatically identify social media channels like YouTube associated with your site. You'll see a prompt to add the available YouTube channel or social channels. Review the channels Google has identified and select ones you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm them. And once connected, Search Console Insights can show information such as clicks, impressions, top performing videos, etc. Keep in mind that this feature is being rolled out gradually, so it may not be available for every website yet. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.